Hello, this is Edward from Direct Fabrics. Today we're going to be showing you some Voile Wave Curtains on an 80mm wave track ceiling fix in our office. What you can see here is the left-hand curtain, and then we've obviously got the right-hand curtain. If I draw that across, you can see the lovely soft flow of the wave with this lightweight voile. It's a linen effect. We've gone to 1 centimetre off the floor, so we've measured from the glider down to the floor and taken 1 centimetre off, and that just gives it a really lovely flowing effect. This particular voile is flame retardant, so it can be used in commercial centres, schools, hospitals, hotels, whatever you would like it to be used for. It's very versatile. It sits beautifully and that wave just holds in position. We've got a double track setup here, which means that we could have a curtain across the front if we wish, but because this is such a light, bright, airy room, being our kitchen, we just kept it as it is. And as you can see, the finish on this is, if I can just neaten that one up, it's just perfect. Would look great across some massive sliding doors or bifold doors, anything like that, and combined with a Roman gives you that shading as well. If you have any questions or you'd like samples of this particular product, it's our Mirage Voile, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thank you very much.